Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Do you want to learn English by yourself but don't know where to start? Maybe you feel shy to speak, maybe you don't have a teacher, or maybe you tried before but gave up. Don't worry, in this lesson I will show you how to learn English alone step by step and become fluent and confident. You don't need a classroom. You don't need expensive courses. You just need the right method and consistency. Let's begin your journey from alone to fluency. Many people think learning alone is difficult, but actually it can be powerful. When you learn alone, you control your time, you choose your materials. You learn at your own speed, and most importantly, you build independence. Fluent English learners are not just learners, they are self learners. Now let's create a simple daily routine. You only need 30 to 60 minutes a day. Step 1. Reading 10 to 15 minutes. Use the greatest reader, a simple story written in easy English. Start with beginner level. Step 2. Listening 10 to 15 minutes. Listen to the same story. You can use audiobooks, YouTube lessons, podcasts. Listen carefully to pronunciation. Repeat after the speaker. Step 3. Speaking 10 to 15 minutes. Yes, even alone. You can practice speaking. Read aloud. Repeat sentences. Talk to yourself. Example: today I am learning English. I feel confident. At first, it feels strange, but it works. Step 4. Vocabulary 5 to 10 minutes. Write down 5 to 10 new words. Make simple sentences. I eat rice every day. I wake up early. Use the words in real life. Now let's practice with a short graded story. A new beginning. John is a student. He wants to learn English. Every day he studies alone. He reads simple books. He listens to English audio. At first he feels nervous. He cannot speak well, but he does not stop. One day he speaks with a foreign friend. He is slow, but he speaks. His friend smiles and says, "Your English is good." John feels happy. He continues learning. After 6 months, he speaks confidently. Fluency is not about perfection, it is about speaking smoothly, expressing ideas, not being afraid. Here are three powerful tips. 1. Think in English. Don't translate from your language. Start simple. I am hungry. I am tired. 2. Use simple sentences. You don't need big grammar. Simple English is powerful English. 3. Practice every day. Even 10 minutes is enough if you are consistent. Confidence is the key. Remember, mistakes are okay. Nobody is perfect. Practice makes progress. Speak slowly, speak clearly. And don't give up. Say this with me: I can learn English. I will improve every day. I am confident. Now let's train your brain. Look around you and say, "This is my room. This is my phone. I am sitting. I am learning." Now let's build a simple routine for learning English at home. Morning. Read easy English for 15 minutes. Read slowly and clearly. Afternoon. Listen to English audio or videos. Repeat important sentences. Evening. Practice speaking alone. Talk about your day. Describe your plans. Night. Review vocabulary. Learn 5 new words. Use them in sentences. This simple routine can improve your English greatly. The secret is consistency. Practice every day, not only when you feel motivated. Many learners fear mistakes, but mistakes are part of learning. Children make mistakes when learning language too. Speak without fear. Confidence grows through action. The more you practice, the more confident you become. Confidence is built slowly. You do not need to be perfect. You only need to continue. Every day, our practice makes you stronger. Even small progress is important. One day you will understand more. One day you will speak more easily. One day you will feel proud of your English. Do not stop. Keep learning, keep practicing, keep believing in yourself. Now repeat after me. I can learn English at home. I practice English every day. I am improving slowly. I enjoy learning English. Thank you for joining this lesson. Remember, read daily, listen daily, speak daily, practice daily. English fluency is possible, step by step, day by day. You can learn English alone at home. Yes, you can improve your English by yourself if you practice correctly every day.